Hello everyone, myself Meena Bagga, lecturer mathematics and a Google certified trainer. I'm also co-leader GG Delhi West in India. Today I'm going to talk with you how we can process marks for preparing the result of a particular class. You can see here is my Google sheet where I want to work, and I have already collected marks of different subjects, and these marks are collected by different educators who are teaching my class through Google Sheet itself. If you don't know how we can do this, you can see the video in the description box. Let us now prepare the result for this class. First of all, I want to see subject wise if any student is fail in any particular subject. I will use filter for this purpose. Here in data you can see create filter. Now I want to create filter in the 5 subjects. I'm choosing all those. I'm coming to data, create a filter. You can see filters are created in each subject. Now when I click on first filter in English subject, you can see all the marks are chosen, and these marks are out of 50, and if I suppose 33% is the minimum to pass, 33% of 50 marks will be 16.5, and I have to see if any student have less than that. And you can see minimum marks here is 35. By default all marks are chosen. Let me come to next mathematics. You can see one is less than that 15, but by default all are chosen here. I just want to choose this. Let me just first clear everything, then I will choose this particular one. Okay, you can see all are hidden now and only this one is shown, but I want to work in all, so I will just color code this cell and come to filter again, and I can select all again, and okay, my sheet is back. The same way I can check in physics, all are more than that. In chemistry, all are more than that. Biology also more than that. So marks are okay now. I can remove the filter. I have to come here again on data, remove filter, filters are removed. Now, if a student is failed in one particular subject, I'm sure he is going to have compartment in this subject. So I can mention his result here, compartment in mathematics. This I am doing manually. Now I want to get total marks of each and every student. For this I am going to use a formula in the Google Sheet itself, that is sum. I'm coming to this cell where I want to keep the sum of all these marks of this particular student. Every formula in Google Sheet will start with equal. Now, just see, it is before I write sum, it is suggesting me and suggesting the range also. And by chance, I want the same. It is C3 to G3, you can see. And some formula it is suggesting me, I want the same, I am choosing. So this one I want, I have done. The same formula I want to apply for all the student. I have to select this cell. I have to come this handle button and drag it down. The formula is applied to all, and now I have got the total of all the students. Now I want to see percentage of all here. For percentage there is no formula, so I will create a formula here equal to. How I will create for percentage? I want marks got by the student, this one. I'm choosing this cell, you can see H3 here, divided by total marks, 50 marks each and total 5 subjects, 250 total marks, and multiply by 100. And this multiply and slash I am choosing from the keyboard itself, enter. I got this percentage for this student and it is suggesting me autofill this in the same way. Yes, I want, I am choosing. I can beautify this also. Now I will create the result by using the formula if. I'm coming to first cell, and this is also being started with equal. If I'm typing and it is suggesting me this, the top one I am choosing. It is guiding me itself. First of all, I have to write the logical expression. A logical expression I want to check. Suppose this is the percentage and I want it to be 40% or more than that if for a student to pass, and otherwise student will be failed. Then I am choosing this cell, this I3 you can see. I want this to be greater than equal to 40, comma I have to put. It is taking me to the second one. It is guiding me itself. Value if true. If it is true, then what value I want to type here, that will be pass. Again comma. The last, but if it is not true, then it will be fail. So we don't use the exact word fail nowadays. You can use as per your conditions. Right now, for being it very small, I am choosing this. Enter. The result is pass for this particular student, and the same if formula I want to apply for the all, but this I have to do manually. I am copying it so that I can later on paste it here, and the same formula I am dragging for the all cells in the column. All are pass. By default this is also more than 40, so it is pass, but because of this subject, this boy will have this result. Compartment in mathematics, I am putting it again manually. So the result is prepared here. Now I can share the same with other educator just to have a look and comment if there is any. I can choose them as viewer and copy this link and share with them. I can share either on WhatsApp or through email or in school group. I hope this sharing of mine will be helpful to all. Thanks everyone.